So now let's talk about FDIC. Everybody's a little spooked right now about the bank run, SVB. Will my bank make it if there's a bank run? There's a lot going on right now. A lot of people are confused and scared. There have been bank runs and there have been some failures, some carnage. Let's talk about FDIC. What is it? Why does it matter? How does it work, basically? So, FDIC is the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation. It's a federally backed, basically, insurance company for deposit accounts at financial institutions. The basics are that your account, your deposit account, is protected up to $250,000, but it's cumulative. So let's say you have three different checking and or savings accounts with one financial institution. They all get added up to come to that $250,000 limit. So if you have three accounts and they are a combined 300,000, you are only protected for those three accounts to $250,000. So you do technically have $50,000 at risk. There are different category types for accounts. So you can have personal, which would be checking, savings, CDs, things like that. You can have investment accounts. There are different types and categories of accounts. So go to FDIC.gov. I believe that's the website, and you'll get more specifics about it there. But again, understand it is cumulative. Now, one interesting wrinkle to this. Let's say you and your spouse, your significant other, have joint accounts. You are both given the $250,000 worth of protection for those joint accounts. So if you own four accounts jointly and together they add up to 600,000, then total protection you have is 500,000 because each of you get 250 for those joint accounts. Now that's within one financial institution. If you kind of spread your money over two or three or four financial institutions that all participate in FDIC, that's important to know and understand, then you'll get $250,000 per person per account type. Again, cumulatively speaking, for each separate institution. So if you have, say, let's say you're a single person, you have an account at Bank of America, one at a credit union, one at a regional bank. They all participate in FDIC. Well, now each of those accounts are protected up to $250,000. So it's a way, it's a little more cumbersome to have it in three different places, but now you are protected by FDIC for up to a total of $750,000, $250 per account per financial institution. If the worst case scenario happens and the bank fails, FDIC typically kicks in within 2 to 3 days. So you usually aren't going to be without your money very long. And they usually make you whole pretty quickly. So I hope that helps. Again, FDIC.gov. It's a little better clarity and understanding on what the program actually is.